So why everybody is saying that this glorious Barebone keyboard is the best on the market or the most popular on the market? I don't know. Let's go and check. Hello guys, Jeff is here, and today we are gonna to discuss what Glorious Gaming is hiding in this huge box. You see, it's really huge box. And today we are going to review GMMK PRO. This is CNC aluminum body and gasket mounting design, which is very important. Of course, it's a fully modular, so we can change everything. And we have rotary encoder, which means mechanical knob, and compatible with QMK open source software. So box is huge. Let's see what is inside. Okay guys, let's quickly check what we have inside this huge box. Okay, a lot of foam to prevent any damage to your keyboard. I don't know what is this sticker. So first of all, inside the box you may see the keyboard itself. Oh, it's very high weight. I mean, it's really tough because of the aluminum plate, and I may see that it's a full aluminum case. Glorious GMMK PRO, rotary knob, USB-C connection, backside of the keyboard with Glorious logo, and several rubbed fits. Also, you may see it's not adjustable, so you have this angle as it built in the case. Okay, really tough one. Troubleshooting tips, extra gasket strips. We will back to this when or during assembling and disassembling of the case. Simple keycap puller, simple switch puller, additional spare screw, white braided USB-C, USB-A cable, and that's all. Okay, before building our new perfect mechanical keyboard setup, let's quickly check what is inside of this keyboard or this barebone version of the keyboard. To disassemble this keyboard, you need to unscrew a couple of screws. To be precise, 8 from the back side and 2 from the front side. And you can easily remove the top plate. And now you may see all this additional foam element to prevent any contact between metal parts of the case. Inside the case you have PCB plate mounted together with another aluminum plate and layer of foam in between. Glorious GMMK PRO. Very similar plate to all other plates on the market. You can unscrew all these parts to be able to remove or exchange this foam inside. Let's quickly check what we have as a stabilizers. So I cannot check what we have as a stabilizers without unscrewing PCB, because this stabilizers is plate mounted. So let's do this, and there you go, aluminum plate with additional foam on the one side, and our plate PCB plate mounted stabilizers, and we just unscrew them as well. So they are heavily pre-looped, really heavily, and they are clear. Okay, so let's assemble back this part. And on the left and right side of this part you may see this additional LED elements, what you may see through the back side of the case from this side. While we are anyway inside the case, let's quickly apply this type mode. There you go. Now let's connect the USB-C port back to the plate. Also, from the structure point of view, you may see that we have some layer of foam, and we have a special place for the cable inside or on the bottom side. So make sure that it will stay on that side. Also, this is a gasket mounted keyboard, and you may see that all these places consist of this rubbed material, so it will add some dampening, and also it should add some flexibility to the board. But in this case, obviously, because it's a metal part, maybe it will not. There you go. Let's assemble it back. Let's quickly check that everything is working. You can use this braided cable, white obviously, with this color of the keyboard. And by the way, one interesting moment, that PCB color is same as case color, or almost same, because Obviously PCB is white and this is a silver, but in general it's not black, I mean, you know, so it's matching the overall color schema of the keyboard. So I will use my coiled cable. I like it more than just white. And let's see that everything okay. Yeah, all good. Okay, next stage, let's assemble the full keyboard. And for this I have these switches from IPO Maker. This is Badgerigar 35 pieces with 47 GF, and they're tactile mechanical switches. And I like them a lot. I did use them with a IPO Maker Barebone keyboard, and I want to try them again. So let's go. So as a keycaps, we will use this green or green with white keycap set, and this is double shot PBT ANSI layout for Cherry Gatron MX switches. And there you go, with full assembled mechanical keyboard from Glorious with aluminum case. It's super heavy, it's like heavy. Okay, let's do our sound test. I would say this is a perfect sound. I don't know how much this aluminum case adding to the sound, but together with this heavy tactile switches from IPO Maker and this very high quality double shot PBT keycaps, this keyboard sounds amazing. Okay guys, we built this keyboard. Sound is amazing. The overall setup is super heavy. It's like really heavy. It's I don't know, maybe more than 3.5 pounds altogether. But as a quality, I may say that this case is really good. From PCB point of view, I don't know, I'm not an expert in all this electronic stuff, but from my experience, it looks the same as all other PCBs. Set of materials and foams are the same. So from quality point of view, I'm absolutely happy about this keyboard, but from the price point of view, because you know what, it's what we have. Let me quickly check it together with you. So this white version is 170 plus keycaps 25. I found very cheap but super quality keycaps, and another 50 or some for the switches, also very budget friendly switches, and altogether it's coming to the more than 250 bucks per keyboard. From one side, it's not the craziest amount of money because it's a lot of 350-400 keyboards on the market. From other side, I just did review on another IPO Maker keyboard, wireless, because this is a wired version. So that one is wireless and very similar, 75% layout, all the same structure and level. Only one difference: plastic versus metal. So if you need something like metal, very heavy, yes, this one is unique. If you need just this type of keyboard, the structure is 75% and possibility to change everything and do it as you want to do it, it's a lot of different different options with double price less. And I'm gonna to compare in details this keyboard with IPO Maker H80 Pro keyboard, both of them barebone versions, in the next video. So stay tuned, stay connected.